Lisa from Gemini Styling, and today I'm going to share with you Cliphair's products that they recommend for their clip-in hair extensions. These will enhance the life of your extensions and keep them in the best condition possible. So I'm just going to briefly go through the products. So we have the shampoo and conditioner. This is a 2-in-1 and it is sulfate free. So that's recommended for like washing your hair extensions when they need washing. Then we have a heat protection spray. So this is when if you're going to obviously be curling your extensions with either a wand or straighteners, or you're straightening them. Again, this is recommended just so you're actually protecting it. So you've got a heat protection spray on there. Then we have a moisturising and nourishing spray. This actually can be used on wet or dry hair, and it just sort of just gives it a lot of shine and just makes the hair look as gorgeous as when you first bought them. And then we have a dry shampoo. So again, this can be used maybe the next day, you just want to revive them a little bit. This is the dry shampoo. And we also have a detangling brush here. So again, this is recommended for brushing your extensions. So I'm going to take you step by step through each product and go more in depth so you can learn about these products and to help enhance the life of your hair extensions. This is the Cliphair 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It is sulfate free and it will protect your hair extensions, your natural hair and your scalp. It will reduce breakages. It has an antioxidant ingredient which will protect your natural hair, your scalp and the hair extensions. The 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner will help detangle and repair your hair extensions. This is the moisturising and nourishing spray. So this actually has multiple uses. It can be applied on wet hair as a detangler, so you can spray it on when the hair's damp, comb it through. You can also apply it on dry hair when your hair has finished to give it a lot of shine and just make it look really healthy. So it will eliminate frizz and sort of split ends. It will protect against wear and tear for long-lasting hair extensions. So this is the heat protection spray. So this is recommended for all your heat styling. It will protect up to 230 degrees. So you can use it for hot tool styling, so curling with straighteners and wands, or you can actually use it for blow drying. So you can apply it onto damp hair and blow dry it into the hair and then continue on with heat styling with your tongs or wand. It adds texture, boosts volume and hold for longer lasting styles. To use the heat protection spray, you would spray on damp hair, then you would blow dry your hair from roots to ends, and then once your hair is dry, you would use your favourite heat styling tools. So this is the Cliphair dry shampoo. So this will revive your hair all day. It's recommended for human hair extensions, synthetic hair extensions and natural hair. So to use the Cliphair dry shampoo, you need to shake the can well before use. Then you would need to lift sections of your hair and then spray 8 inches away from the scalp in different areas. So you would lift your hair and spray the product right into the scalp. Leave it for 30 to 45 seconds and then just massage that area within your scalp. You will then brush and blow dry your hair to remove any excess powder. So this is Cliphair Satin Touch Detangling Hairbrush. As you can see, it has flexible bristles to help tame through any knots or tangles that you may have. This creates less friction than ordinary hairbrushes. This will keep your hair sleek, frizz-free and healthy looking. it is recommended for all hair types. I'm just going to show you this brush on my hair just so you can see. There we go. So you can see the benefits of this brush. So just a recap of what we've talked about today. So the first product was the 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, which was sulfate free. So that's brilliant, obviously, for protecting your hair extensions. Then we talked about the moisturising and nourishing spray that you can use also as a detangler, but you can use that on wet and dry hair. And then we had the heat protector spray. So obviously protecting your hair during the blow drying process and any heat styling tools that you may need to apply onto your hair. And then we had the dry shampoo, which obviously is good to revive in your hair, maybe the next day, just to give it a sort of extra boost. And then we had the hairbrush, Cliphair's hairbrush, which is obviously beneficial for your extensions, just to help look after them. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video today and have learned that, you know, how these products will help enhance the life of your hair extensions. Thank you for watching.